श्रीराम राम रामेति रमे रामे मनोरमे सहस्रनाम तत्तुल्यं राम नाम वरानने श्रीराम राम रामेति रमे रामे मनोरमे सहस्रनाम तत्तुल्यं राम नाम वरानने.
Jai Shri Ram, Jai Shri Ram. Today is one of the most auspicious days of our Sanatana Dharma. Today, 5th August 2020. It's Bhumi Puja Day for the construction of Sri Rama's temple at his own Avatara Sthalam, Sri Ayodhya. Today, I want to share with you all the way our family chants Ramanama. Earlier, when I was small, I used to chant Shri Ram, Jai Ram with the help of a Japamala 108 times. One day, when I was sick with fever and other illuminations, I couldn't even hold the Japamala or chant Shri Ram, Jai Ram once. At that moment, by the grace of Perumal, Tayar and Acharyas, my mother got a tune for chanting the Ramanama. This is how the tune goes. Rama 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 Rama. So, my mother told me to chant this 7 times. This tune has 15 Ramanamas in it. Rama 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 Rama. So 7 times 15 is equal to 105. Now we need 108. So Rama Rama Rama. There it is. 108 Ramanama. Our family used to chant this thrice a day. One in the morning, one in the afternoon, and one at the night before sleeping. This whole process takes less than a minute, 50 seconds to 1 minute, by your speed. Later, we expanded it into 1008 Ramanama chanting. I personally love this process so much. It's fun, interesting, and full of creativity. You can expand it to your likings. From the moment I start sharing the process, you will also love it. Now, let's get to the process. So now, first clean the place. I'm using this cloth to clean it. Next, wipe it with a wet cloth. I am using this water to do it. I am using the same cloth again to wipe it. Next, put a kolam. Your hand should not be wet when you put the kolam. So I am wiping them. Next, you have to keep a wooden chowki. I am using this wooden chowki. On the kolam you have to. If you want, you can wipe your hands again. So, you have to wet the chowki too. But this time, I am using a wet cloth. Now, you have to put a kolam on the chowki too. Can keep any god idol you want. I love Hanuman so much that I am going to keep Hanuman's idol. I always keep Hanuman's idol whenever I do Ramanama chanting. So now let's keep. satisfied. So now let's keep it. Next, you have to keep an empty chowki next next to the place where you are going to chant Lord Sri Rama's glories. So definitely, I'm saying the truth, definitely Hanuman will come and sit in that empty chowki whenever they sing satsangs, upanyasam, anything which states Rama. They always keep an empty chowki next, because Hanuman will definitely come and sit there. This actually 3 times real monkeys came into my house and did some things while we were chanting Ramanama. One time in the balcony, it ate all our mangoes. The other time, when it came to my toy room, it just grabbed some of my toys and did susu there and went. Third time, it ate a banana in my parents' and my bedroom. And another time, when my father was doing Sundarakandam Parayanam, a monkey just came in our hall balcony and it gave us darshan. Actually, in a shloka, it says, Yatra yatra raghunatha kirthanam tatra tatra kritamasta kanjalim bhashpavari paripurna lochanam maritim namata rakshasa antakam. The meaning of the shloka is Yatra yatra, wherever, Raghunatha kirthanam, Lord Sri Rama's glories are sung. Tatra tatra, there. Kritamasta kanjalim, Hanuman will be there with folded hands and a bowed head. Bhashpavari, brimming tears. Paripurna lochanam, complete eyes. Its meaning is with his eyes filled with brimming tears. Marutim, to that Hanuman, Namata Rakshasa Antakam, who also puts an end to Rakshasas, I salute. So, wherever Lord Sri Rama's glories are sung, there Hanuman will be there, with a bowed head and folded hands, with eyes filled with brimming tears. To that Hanuman, who also puts an end to all the evil Rakshasas, I salute. So, let's keep this chowki next to the place where we will sing Lord Rama's name. So now we have to wipe this chowki for Hanuman to sit. Let's take some water, put it on the wet cloth. Let's wipe the chowki. Now, just like this chowki, we have to put kolam in this one too. Now, I've drawn the kolam there. Let's offer flowers to Hanuman, who is also sitting silently there, and to this Hanuman too. Before that, we have to dust our hands. So now let's offer flowers. You can do it however you want. You can just put it fully or design every way you can put it. I'll first offer it to the Hanuman who is sitting there. This process is very fun. Let's put some to this Hanuman too. One there, one there, and one there, one there, one there. And let's keep one on top of his head. So now we need an empty bowl and a plate. Like I said, we need 67 coins or anything you can find, like this jasmine flower, beads, anything you find is okay. We just need things to count. Now we will start chanting. Let's take a coin, fold our hands and chant Lord Sri Rama's name. Rama 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 Rama. Now I finished 15, so I am putting a coin into the bowl. Rama 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 Rama. Rama 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 Rama. You have to do this process for until your coins get over. So now let's just put all the coins into the bowl. This is the last coin, 67th coin. So I am chanting it slowly. Rama 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 Rama. So 67 coins are done. Let's keep it in. So we have to say Rama Rama Rama. Now 1008 Ramanama chanting is done. After finishing 1008 Ramanama Japam, we have to offer something to the God, right? So you can give anything, water, fruits or anything that your parents cooked. I love Panagam so much, which is jaggery water. I am going to make it. The items you will need are some jaggery, some water and some cardamom. So first you need to pound the cardamom. Always keep a cloth on the bottom before pounding with a mortar and a pestle. Let's continue pounding. Now you have to spin it. Now, as you see, you can see the skins, right? The skins. You can just keep the skins away. Now I have kept the skins away. We have this pounded mortar and this pounded cardamom. So let's take the jaggery, add some water. Let's wipe our hands with some water. And now let's mix it. When you think it is enough, you can just add the pounded cardamom in. And you can mix it again. Now you can wash your hand again. And you can offer your own homemade panagam to Rama, Sita Pirati and to Hanuman who's also silently sitting there and enjoying the glories of Sri Rama, and who's also silently sitting and watching this video. Now let's ask Lord Sri Rama, Sita Pirati and Hanuman to drink this Panagam. Isn't this whole process so much fun? You can ask your parents, grandparents and other people about doubts on these divine stories. You can also read books which state about these divine stories like Amar Chitra Katha. It has very nice illustrations and very good words for you kids to understand. Let us take an oath on this auspicious day that we will chant Ramanama 1008 times or 108 times with your family, your siblings, your grandparents, with everybody. And for your convenience, I will upload another video today itself. It will only have Ramanama audio, no talking. If you don't know how to do this Ramanama chanting, you can just play the video and you can do side by side. It will have 1008 Ramanama chanting. It will take less than 10 minutes. So thank you for watching this video. Jai Shri Ram, Jai Jai Shri Ram.